In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Dragon City codes. So in order to do that, first, head over to their website, which is the URL of dragoncitygame.com/redeem. From in there, you can see in here the gift code redemption page. So on this case, you just need to enter in here the code for your that you actually want to actually redeem. Enter the code, click onto this login and redeem option. And then from in there, just scan this QR code, install Dragon City, and redeem it from there. So for September of 2025, here are the updated Dragon City codes. We have the sticker pack, Missile Fate, Pride Feather, Dragon City, and we also have in here the expired code. So take note of this so you don't need to use it again. Now just input right here the code, and then from in there, scan the QR, type in the code, mark the checkbox, click on confirm, and you should be able to receive it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.